Rama accepted Vibhishana's friendship and crowned him the king of Lanka. The major task remaining before them was still to cross the sea. Rama began praying to the sea god for giving passage through the sea. He prayed continuously for 3 days, but there was no response. Rama was furious at the arrogance of the sea god. Lakshmana too was unhappy with the indifference of the sea god. Lakshmana then brought his mighty bow and arrow. Rama readied himself and sent a volley of arrows at the sea god. Rama shot arrows into the sea, which disturbed the sea to its depths. The water began to boil in pain. The sea god could not endure it any longer. He appeared in front of Rama with his hands joined. He told Rama he was bound by the law of nature, but he asked him to make a bridge of rocks and trees which he would hold. He also told him that Nal, the son of Vishwakarma, can help them to construct the bridge. Rama accepted his apology and help. Rama also ordered all the monkeys to do as told by the sea god. The construction of the bridge began in no time. The monkey warriors went to the mountains and forest and brought trees and rocks and collected them along the shore. The bigger monkeys brought the bigger trees and rocks and began throwing them into the sea. It is said that initially the rocks did not float on the water but kept on sinking. All of them were worried. Then they decided to write the name of Lord Ram on the rocks and the stones and then threw them on the water. To everybody's surprise, the rocks started floating on the water. Nal, the super architect, stood at one side and supervised the construction of the bridge. It is also said that all of them helped in making the bridge along with the monkeys. There were a few squirrels also who helped in completing the bridge. On seeing this, Lord Ram patted them to praise their help. It is believed that is why the squirrels have 3 thick lines on their back. It was their prize for helping Lord Ram. When the base was formed with rocks and trees, a layer of grass and tiny pieces of wood was also spread on to level the surface. Everyone was busy bringing something or the other from the forest, each according to their strength and ability. Within 5 days, a bridge was made ready. It was 80 miles wide and 800 miles long across the vast sea. Now the monkey warriors could easily cross the sea. The army of monkeys shouted in excitement as the bridge was completed. The gods too showered blessings upon them.